What's up, Knox? I just woke up right now. I'm freaking tired as fuck. I was supposed to be at the office at 9. It's like 9:40 right now, but I'm gonna go get ready and I'll catch you guys when I'm done.
Says the smell's too loud. Riding in my old school thing. Shotgun with my old school pay. So wake me when the sun goes down. Tonight's my last night in town. I pledge to a flag so brave. No matter where time, the skies are gray. Ooh, around this time, won't stop in a Ramadan. Yeah, might have robbed you blind. You, your daddy moms. Yeah, keep that in mind. Fit two things being broken down. Yeah, jump your ass inside. LSD, come take this ride. No ACID, how you get your ass inside? Yeah, take one peek at me, you might get lost in my mind. Yeah.
Whoa. Well, I just got ready. Now I'm about to head to the office real quick. But my mom has me making her a quick smoothie. So I'm gonna do that real quick with you guys. Then I'm heading to the office. Watch out. Alright, so in order to make this smoothie, you're gonna need 2 sticks of kale, a freaking grapes, and a carrot, and a banana that I already have in the blender.
We don't say swag no more, we say swag.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking hard. Alright, well, I'm fucking done with that, so let's roll.
Huh?
Mom, I'm catching footage. Mom, I'm catching raw footage. Harassing me again. Forgot to take off the card. Anyway, I'm gonna be in here for a while. I'll probably be here till like 5 o'clock. So I'll catch you guys then.
You're authorizing a one-time check by phone payment of $50 and
Mom, you gotta speak in
cents, which will be
English.
debited from your
People
bank
can't
account
understand
and
you.
post to your Kohl's account
Mom.
on Thursday, July 20, 2017. Same-day
What's the
payments made
moves?
after 7 p.m. Central Standard
Mom, what's the
Time will
moves?
reflect tomorrow's date. To
Mom,
continue with
speak
your
in
payment,
English. Mom,
press
what's the
1.
moves?
Return to the
Mom,
payment amount
for
entry
real.
menu, press
Mom,
2.
for real.
To cancel
What's
this
the
payment,
moves? Mom, what's the moves? I'll catch y'all Nick Nugs at Toyota. Alright, yeah, so you pretty much already know we out here. They just told her that she has so many like messed up things with her car. Talking about some tire rotators. Thinking the fuck? The fuck is a tire rotator? Anyway, so now we gotta chill out here for a minute till they're done with the oil change. And then I'll catch you guys at home. Alright, I lied. I saw this dope ass thing at Toyota. It might have been the sickest thing I've seen at Toyota the whole 20 minutes I've been here. Check this out.
Chinese scholar at the University of Illinois. This afternoon, Brett Christensen pled not guilty to the federal kidnapping charges. Ying Zhang disappeared on June 9th. She was last seen getting in.
They literally connected iPhone chargers and like Android chargers to a car battery. Now that's some smart engineering skills right there. Damn, I wish I had something like that. Freaking put it in my backpack all the time. I'll tell people I got a wireless charger, but really, I just got a battery in my backpack. Steez.
I'd like to say.
Alright, well, we were there for like over an hour. As you can see, that beautiful woman fell asleep. So now for real, we're about to go home, and I got something to show y'all. Alright, well, I just set everything up and I'm about to show you guys what I've been trying to show you all day. So, this is my first pair of motherfucking Yeezys. Hell yeah. I've been trying to cop these joints for the longest motherfucking time. But, apparently, I heard these joints were dropping again. And I heard it was in the zebra colorway too. And hands down, this has to be the steeziest colorway. And I know all you motherfuckers out there right now are talking about some, Toby, you're dumb as fuck, bro. Those are the ugliest colorway, bro. And it's, no, nigga, you are incorrect. This is the steeziest motherfucking colorway ever. Fuck the turtlenecks. Fuck, okay, I can't say fuck pirate blacks. Those are pretty fucking clean. But anyway, I'm about to tell you guys how I caught these joints. So I literally stayed up all night making a list the day before they dropped about every store that was dropping them. And you won't believe my dumbass. I fell asleep the same night these dropped. But somehow, my nigga, who won't be named, helped me cop these joints. Cause apparently, he got them off Yeezy Supply in exactly my size, which is pretty steez. So I just copped them right off him, tossed him some bills, and now I got these joints. DS, baby. So check them out. Get it up. Right there. Bang. Look at how clean these motherfuckers are. Look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all niggas. You already know your boy wore them already because they were so damn clean. But look at these joints. Do y'all fuck with this? Like in the comments, tell me if you guys fuck with this colorway, if you guys think it's the steeziest colorway out on Yeezys, or if you guys hate the... No, don't even tell me if you hate it in the comments, because then we finna have beef. Alright? Don't even say that shit. Because these are the cleanest motherfucking colorway ever. Hands down. So you guys fuck with this colorway or not? Let me know in the comments. And also in the comments, let me know if you want to see him on feet or not. Cause I just don't want to throw that out if you guys don't want to see it. You know what I mean?
Real friends, how many of us? How many of us? How many jealous? Real friends, there's not many.
But make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another vlog. Watch out.
Damn, that was a really good video. They did say if I subscribe, I'll be a steezy nigga. I've always wanted to be a steezy nigga. I'll just subscribe.
Oh, yeah, look on, yeah. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Oh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah,